includes the following county: Moore, North Carolina. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather, radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. In Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Moore County, Southwestern County, South Central County, Northern County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Southern Pines, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusting and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Southern Pines, Fort Bragg, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Hope Air Force Base, Spring Lake, Whispering Pines, Yellowtown, and Bass. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Cumberland, Hope, Lee, and more. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sampson County, southeastern Harnett County, north central Cumberland County, southwestern John County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lincoln, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail and heavy rainfall. Source radar indicated. Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Smithfield, Wilmington, Dunn, Benson, Godwin, Irwin, Coates, Four Oaks, Newton Grove, and Linden. For your protection, move to an interior